Are you looking for the top 5 best hammer multi-tools for home use? Before buying a hammer multi-tool, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. You might think all these tools are the same, but the differences can make or break your experience. Product number 1. Rosada's 12-in-1 Multi-Tool Hammer. First up is the Rosada's 12-in-1 Multi-Tool Hammer. Priced at just $11.99, this caught my eye because of its unique engraving, World's Best Dad. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift that's also practical, this one's worth a serious look. This tool combines 12 functions in one compact design, including a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or need a reliable tool for emergencies, having all these functions in one place means you won't waste time searching for the right tool. Plus, it's made of stainless steel, meaning it's durable and rust-resistant, a must for outdoor enthusiasts. It's already sold over 500 units in the past month, showing it's a popular choice. Now, some people complain that the tools can feel a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing though, after a little use, they loosen up nicely. So if you can be patient for a short while, you'll find it's a valuable addition to your toolkit. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, practical gift for dad, or if you need a handy tool around the house. Skip this one if you're looking for something more professional grade. Honestly, for the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if the affordability of Rosada's was a concern, the next one might just... Product number 2. Yumi 6-in-1 Floral Hammer. Next up is the Yumi 6-in-1 Multifunctional Floral Hammer. Priced at $13.99, this tool caught my attention because it's not just functional, but also stylish with its floral design. If you want a multi-tool that's as cute as it is practical, this is definitely worth a look. This hammer includes a claw hammer, multiple screwdrivers, and even a nail puller. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a dedicated tool that combines all these functions means you can handle a range of tasks, from furniture assembly to quick repairs, without the hassle of switching tools. Made from heat-treated carbon steel, it's built to last and can handle daily wear and tear. However, some users mention that the handle grip isn't the best when working with heavy-duty tasks. I'll be real with you, if you plan to do heavy construction, this might not be your go-to, but for lighter tasks and DIY projects, it does a fantastic job. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile tool for everyday tasks or want a gift that stands out. Skip this one if you expect to use it for heavy-duty applications. Honestly, for its price and design, it's a charming tool to have around. Alright, that was product number 3, HingeShark 12-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool. Now, let's talk about the HingeShark 12-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool, available for $19.99. This caught my eye because it's marketed as a fantastic gift for men who have everything. If you're looking for something that's both practical and unique, this is worth a serious look. This multi-tool features 12 functions including a mini hammer, pliers, and various screwdrivers, making it ideal for camping trips or emergency situations. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The versatility of having a tool that can break glass or cut rope could be crucial in emergencies. It's compact and comes with a nylon bag, making it easy to carry around. Plus, it's lightweight, which is a bonus for outdoor adventures. On the downside, some users felt that the tools could be a bit small for larger hands. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for portability and convenience rather than heavy-duty use, it's a small trade-off for such a versatile tool. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable multi-tool for camping or just to keep in your car. Skip this one if you have larger hands and prefer heftier tools. Honestly, it gives you great value for money and functionality. Now, if you like the idea of a compact... Product number 4, Rosada's 12-in-1 Multi-Tool Hammer, Gift Box. Coming in at $9.99 is another Rosada's 12-in-1 Multi-Tool Hammer. This one is particularly great if you're looking for stocking stuffers or gifts for that special someone. If you're after a practical yet affordable gift, this one's definitely worth a serious look. This tool is packed with 12 essential tools, similar to the previous one, including a hammer, pliers, and various screwdrivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys DIY projects or outdoor activities, giving you everything you need in an easy-to-carry format. It's made from sturdy stainless steel, making it durable enough for various tasks. Plus, it comes in a neat gift box, which is a nice touch. However, some users have noted that it can feel a bit bulkier compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you're using it as a gift or for light tasks, the bulkiness is a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and charming gift. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact. Honestly, for the price. Product number 5, BIIB 13-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool. Finally, we have the BIIB 13-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool, priced at $19.99. This one caught my attention because it offers a broader range of functions than most. If you want a multi-tool that can handle a variety of situations, this is worth a serious look. This multi-tool includes 13 functions, allowing you to tackle everything from plumbing to furniture repair. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having so many options in one tool can save you time and space, especially if you're a frequent DIYer or camper. Crafted from lightweight 420 stainless steel, it's both strong and portable, fitting easily in your backpack or car. However, some users mentioned it may require a bit of maintenance to keep it in top shape. Here's the thing though, most tools do, and if you're someone who values versatility, this is a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a multi-tool that covers all bases, especially for outdoor use. Skip this one if you're not comfortable maintaining your tools. Honestly, with its range of functions. To quickly recap, we covered the Rosada's 12-in-1, Yumi 6-in-1, Hinshark 12-in-1, another Rosada's 12-in-1, and the BIIB 13-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool. Each of these tools brings something different to the table, whether it's affordability, style, or versatility. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and you'll be well on your way to tackling any project with ease.